Okay, we're gonna resume this.
I've
Guinea
never
draft.
seen one of them on the Dodge front end either. I don't even know what the hell that is.
Yeah, we got the
It's
step
gotta
tall
be
from
a-
hell tonight.
It's got to be something to let the fumes out of that front
Probably
end.
the forward drive.
Yeah, the four-wheel drive vacuum. That's the only thing it can be is a vacuum hose.
Because they used to have
Because
vacuum.
if it was high pressure, it would have had metal in that line.
Yeah.
It can't be anything high pressure.
You ready, Johnny?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I'm gonna let mine down a little bit.
All
I
right.
guess we'll alternate.
All right.
Okay.
Yep, mine's going down a little bit. We're out.
Yep.
I'm all the way down.
It's gonna roll forward, I think. Yeah, it's gonna roll. I think.
Fire was the best idea.
Yeah.
That was a good idea.
Oh. Let's get this out of here.
Down, Paul.
I won't.
Wow,
Yeah, it's out.
it's out.
Dang,
Son of a mother.
that thing's huge.
That's what she said.
Where's that rubber boot? Did you pick that rubber boot up over there?
Yeah, I got it right here.
It goes on the shock over here.
Okay. You said it was a washer too?
Yeah, it's right here. See the fits up in there,
I got you.
something like that. Let's see.
Oh, I can't see.
It should be how it goes.
Okay.
And it might go like this, because you got one that goes on the top, right?
Well, he'll be able to tell how it goes from the other side. The other side didn't fall off.
Have you done
Yeah.
anywhere to eat?
See, that should be how it goes, but that'll press up
Oh,
in
for
there.
next weekend.
Where's your shock tower?
We good?
Or,
Yeah.
Colton.
I'm just moving the shock
Yeah,
around
yeah,
over
it's
here.
decent. Okay. Are you thinking? Okay. Colton's is pretty cool. Yeah, we like Colton's. We haven't been there in a while, actually. That would be kind of cool.
Yeah, you're green.
Just let us know
Yeah.
what time it is.
Okay. Yeah, that sounds awesome, man. Oh, I think it's rolling. Yeah, sounds good, man. So it'll be
I can
Saturday
start lift that
night.
spring on there for him. So he knows that. Okay, so that other one's still together over there. See how he is now? I put it back on there like previous. That wasn't really nice.
Probably
There we go.
Yeah, it's good. It rolled off the jack. It's all good. You want to roll it back over, Jack? Oh, was it? You roll it back over.
Whew.
Here's Jack's trying to keep it from.
Here, you can sit down.
Oh, no, I'm good, man. No, you're fine. You take a seat. I'm okay.
Get that safety band on there.
It always looks so scary up there like that. Especially with such a big truck on such a skinny little pole in the middle, you know.
Probably gonna move tonight, Johnny, 'cause I don't want to leave the truck's so fucking heavy, I don't want to leave it up, you know? Wow, y'all. That sucked. Well, I didn't have their help. You forget it.
You got it figured out.
Oh, yeah, right.
Yeah, you got it.
Bro, we had one, a nut that was spinning with the
Yeah.
side,
Oh, really?
and Johnny had to get down there and hold it with a pry bar, and I had to get an impact on the top.
Dang.
And then the
Yeah,
screws.
Yeah.
That's what holds them nuts in place.
Yep.
They all fit in that. That's what holds them in place. That's supposed to keep them from spinning. That's rubber.
Yeah. This is crazy.
Those you got to take care of.
Yep.
Wow.
Good, bolted in.
Pulled it up. Yeah, I didn't even realize. This is the top part.
Yeah. And these are what if you do a leveling kit on Dodges, these will come in thicker pieces of rubber, and these are where they go. It'll be a piece of metal or a piece of rubber attached to this, and put it right back on. Because all Dodges are set with brakes on them, and you do a leveling kit, you'll get these to the front, and that's how you level them up. You got to do take all this, unbolt all this, take it apart, put this piece on, and put it right back over there.
Wow.
Yeah.
Interesting.
Yeah, it's a pain in the butt.
Yeah, that's crazy, man.
I'll put the other one on over here. I took it off because I didn't want it to hit somebody in the head.
That's nuts, man.
That's a whole lot of weight.
It goes
I cannot
right up there.
believe- I mean, that joker, son, you had to be.
So what could have caused that, do you think, Johnny, in your opinion?
I can tell you exactly what caused it. It hit hard enough to. Here, I didn't know.
Thank you, Johnny. Right, one of my filming. There was a bit of action for you
Or
guys.
hit something hard enough here, and
Yeah.
it shattered this,
Yeah.
and pushed that gear up. It broke loose in there. That's what broke the yoke here.
Yeah.
It broke it in two places,
Uh-huh.
and pushed
Yeah.
this gear up.
Yeah.
That's a good point.
And the reason I know that, how do I know that, James?
It's like we've done that before.
Yeah, we got one that looks almost identical, don't
Are
we?
you serious?
Yeah.
Dang.
It hit the yoke hard enough back there, and actually the drive shaft.
Yeah.
And it tilted
The pinion.
the pinion on the inside.
Yep.
And hit the case here and split it, but it also broke here because it put all
Once
the
it got started, then
Yep.
it went haywire.
We've
Yeah.
also had one we've seen it split the transfer case.
Yeah,
Wow.
it hit hard enough on the front and the rear, the truck bent like this, and it broke the transfer case. It had a 2-inch gap, and you could see all the workings. They all still work, but it split the transfer case in half.
Oh, that's
Oh my
crazy,
gosh.
man.
I'm so sorry, I didn't
Dang.
mean to not.
No, you're totally fine. It's got a case on it.
Where,
So it's
That worked out good. Putting that one on and that one, they almost worked out in the same spot.
yeah, that worked out well.
Yeah, I think if you ever have to take them off again, we'll take them off back there. We won't
Oh,
take 'em off
yeah.
here.
Oh, yeah. The only problem is I gotta take them off this
Yeah.
damn thing, too.
Yeah. Oh yeah, you gotta. Which I think they'll be easier out here because you can get your gun on this side and a wrench on this side and back it out.
Mhm.
I think that's still gonna be a pain in the butt.
Yeah, it's still gonna be a pain in the butt, yeah. The thing that we had working against us was load.
Yeah,
That was hurting us.
yeah.
Damn. How heavy do you think that is?
Oh, it's.
It's 400 pounds at
Oh,
least.
yeah, oh yeah.
Now, you should have saw when we got this one out of the truck yesterday. We had to use an engine hoist.
Oh
we
yeah.
couldn't.
Yeah,
we
these
couldn't-
ain't no joke.
Yeah.
It's probably, I'd say it's closer to 5. What do
Oh,
you think,
man.
James? 300, 300 or 400? You can pick up 100 easy with one hand. So
Yeah.
Well, yeah. I don't know. Alright, well,
I can tell you what the intersections weigh, just the gears and
The
them
carrier,
motors, I'd say they're
yeah.
80 pounds.
I'd
Oh,
say
yeah.
about at 300 pounds.
Yeah, it's
Yeah.
every bit of it.
I'd say so. But an awkward 300 pounds.
Yeah, that's the problem.
Yeah, that's the
It's-
problem.
yeah. Now, are you going to have to change all this stuff out?
I'm going to have to
Are
move
you gonna
the
have to-
wheel speed sensors.
Well, how about these, the brackets and everything? Are they going to?
That already has it.
Yeah, but is it going to be
line
bent?
right
Or...
up. No, it should, because it's only, a year off from the...
No, it's the same here.
Same year.
Oh, same year? Yeah, he wants to...
Why does that one look so much beefier?
Because it's...
Oh, because that one's turned funny.
Yeah. Yeah.
If it was, yeah.
We just got to move the shocks and the springs and the
Yeah.
wheel speed sensors. These sway bar links, I couldn't get them off. So I just unscrewed it on one
Yeah.
side.
Well, you can tell they're bent big as shit.
Yeah.
I don't know. And that's a lot.
Yep.
It's been a lot. Somebody either put a whole lot of pressure on it. You can tell where they tighten the nut down, or it either pushed down on that. And
Mm-hmm.
both of them are like that.
And I also got to transfer this.
Yeah.
That
That won't be
and,
no problem. Being off like that, you can unbolt that and
Yep.
pop it right back in the
And
other.
then I got the tie rod over there. I got to
Yeah.
put that on there.
Oh yeah, that's. And you got this. You got tied up.
Yep.
That's easy.
Sway bar.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
This is not a
You still
job.
got, did you hook all your other stuff back up after you done the battery thing?
I did.
That little box, the fuse box or whatever?
I just put that was no big deal. I just put all the bolts back in.
I don't know what that is or what that other one is over there.
Yeah.
But it was already unhooked. This may have already been done once before too.
Probably. He said he had
Really?
the transmission rebuilt like a couple times, but it's leaking fluid like
Oh, yeah.
crazy,
Oh
man.
yeah. What he did was he tightened it down too far.
Yep. He squished it too much.
Yep.
Really?
Yeah, you don't want to squish them
Well,
too
somebody
much.
knocked the shit out of that too. That's got a hell of a dent in it.
Wow, yeah,
probably.
you're
You can
right.
actually see the gear,
Right.
something
Holy
Yeah.
went to
crap.
town on
Yeah.
Yeah.
Dang.
See it leaking?
that. Yeah, but that's what he did. Is he squished that, or whoever
Yeah,
did
you
it
can
squished it.
you can see it right there. You
I
can
wonder
see
if that's
you can
related
see
to
it from
this.
right here
Yeah.
all the way.
It
right
may
there.
have. What would have made those grooves in it like that though? Because that looks like the teeth off of a drive shaft, but
Yeah.
see they're vertical.
Yep.
Yeah.
No, that's from where this. See this piece right here? It hit
Yeah.
that probably.
No, it's no.
This is hard right here.
Okay, so this was here. It actually looks like those teeth
Yeah.
of some kind got in that, but that's impossible. 'cause
Yeah.
it was
Too
up
far
here.
away.
Yeah, so something
Yeah.
that looks like that. See, like maybe this
Yeah.
or something got up in that. You can feel
Well,
that
the
groove.
drive shaft was jumping up and down and rotating probably.
Oh, okay. But yeah, it got into that hard, and that's probably leaking right there.
Oh yeah.
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 Needs a new pan, or somebody that does some body work, take that back out and solder it.
Yeah.
I wonder if that was leaking before this happened.
Probably.
Probably. It
Yeah.
looks like it's leaking up higher.
Yeah, it's leaking all up here.
He
So
doesn't need
where
a new
it's
transmission
pushed
pan
at, yeah.
anyways.
Oh Lord, that thing's leaking like
I
crazy.
know.
Yeah, it is.
That's just from sitting here. Like that's all,
Yeah.
all the stuff that's leaked just since yesterday.
Yep.
Damn.
That's a lot.
He's
Yeah.
leaking
You know
a
what I mean?
lot.
Yep. He's also got a front seal leaking. Or is that transmission? Oh, that's oil.
That's
Is it oil?
Front
Or?
main seal.
A rear
No,
main
it's
seal?
a
I mean,
Rear.
real main.
Yeah.
well, it's probably not the rear main. It's probably just the pan gasket, because that's the same thing. That
Well, yeah,
leaks
then
on
he
mine.
said it's all wet there.
Yeah, well, see where it runs down from up here.
Yeah.
It's only wet on one side of it.
Yeah, that's
Yeah.
probably what. Yeah.
Yeah.
That's
That's
why,
not
that's why I
bad.
said it's the gasket.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because most of the
Yeah,
time,
it's almost splits it half
one
in two.
side
Yeah, I saw
blows
that.
out. Yeah.
Yeah, so he done the same thing. If he didn't do these right, he goes, you know as well as I do. If you don't put them in and
Yep.
go around and start here and work out a little bit and start that way.
You
and go
probably. So I put RTV on them
Oh yeah.
a little bit, you know,
Yeah,
on
just-
both
oh,
sides.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Some
I
people put
love
them in dry.
Velcro. I mean, the cork gaskets are all right if you know how to do them,
Yeah.
old school stuff. But Velcro, you can't beat them.
Yeah, Velcro's pretty good. I've used them a lot. What
Stop.
I was thinking, if I'm gonna lower the truck, I probably should
You
we
wanna
move
slide?
this?
It's up to you.
Would it have space to sit over there?
Yeah, if you lay these the springs down, it should. It shouldn't get nowhere near that. You could actually lay it down right here. You could lay it
Yeah,
down
you're
right
right.
here and put it right back in the hole it was in. It won't hurt nothing.
That way, also, if the truck happened to fall, it wouldn't fall very far to fall on this.
Yeah.
And then it won't hurt that. Yeah, we can lean these over. We can rotate this over because it just fell.
Yeah.
So we can
Yep.
rotate this over like that.
Just leave it like that and lower it. Yep.
Yeah, you make the.
Yeah, those ain't moving.
No. They'll go
That'll go right there.
Yeah. We can maneuver it this way a little bit if we have to or whatever. And we'll let it slide right up in there.
I'll move this jack out of the way.
Yeah.
I don't really like to bring my other jack here. But you'll need your jack too, James.
No, that means he has to use it here. I'll pull on it. So we'll go this way.
1, 2, 3.
Oh yes, yeah. All right, look at James.
Tires got good traction.
Yeah. I'm brand new tire. It just needs enough room to fit up in here, Jack. Just good. It's out of the way enough.
All right.
Look at all this look at the size of that rotor.
Yeah, we was looking at them a while ago. That one over there, I was like, man, we done them too. You remember what we put them on?
No, we put the rotors on the
Excursion.
Yeah.
And the bearings. Bearings.
Yeah. The wheel bearings.
Inner
and
wheel bearing.
yeah.
Oh yeah, that was nice.